Hello, welcome. Question 25, a simple one on change of subject. Make R the subject of the relation 1 over P equals to B over T plus C over what? R. These are three different fractions that we have the denominator to be variables. So we can multiply through by the product of all those variables as the LCM. So if I multiply here by PTR, let's say I bring a bracket, 1 over P equals to PTR into bracket B on T plus PTR multiplying C on what? R. You see, P will cancel P, T cancel T, and R cancel what? R. Remaining here, TR times 1. That will be TR. PR times B. PR B. Then PTC. PTC. Or let's take it alphabetical order as PCT. Then you have what? PBR, right? Okay. Now we need the R, which now is in two places. So we group like terms. I'll be having the TR minus PBR equals to PCT. Making R to be 1, you factorize it out, dividing the whole of this by the R, you'll be left with PB like this equals to PCT. Now the R is in one place now, so we divide both sides by the coefficient. This becomes the coefficient. So that means R equals to PCT over T minus what? PB. I'm solving this directly because this is section A question. We need to work within what? Time. So this is going to be the option what? A for this question. I believe this is clear. Like, share, comment, and come back for question 26.